Taken quickly after eating toxins, it adsorbs and neutralizes them. Colobus are vegetarians, and they like nothing better than young leaves, flowers, and unripe fruit, getting all the vitamins and carbs they need. And there's one tree that has it in abundance. The mango. Its young leaves are 20% protein, but eating them comes at a cost. They are laced with poison and cause severe bellyache. Like all good mums, she knows how to make it better. But charcoal is an inspired remedy. Taken quickly after eating toxins, it adsorbs and neutralizes them. In human medicine, we use charcoal to treat poisoning, but colobus are the only primates clever enough to have figured this out for themselves.